In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Serato DJ Pro. So there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. The first one is going to be a simple drag and drop. So what you want to do in that case is simply find some audio you want to go and of course use, and then you can simply drag and drop it anywhere in here. So if I go to over here, I'm actually going to pull up some audio from my second monitor. So I'm going to go and click and drag. And as you can see, it's going to allow me to put it anywhere over here. I can put my music in here. Up here I can go and put it in here where it says drag song, etc., and that way I can go and add music. Okay, so if I go and click in here, for example, and drag and drop, there we go. As you can see, my test audio has been loaded. That's the first way to do this. Then the second one is going to be down here in this main panel where you can click on files, and then inside files you can of course go and find your music. So if I go to downloads over here, I do have some audio samples over here. For example, I'm going to use this one, and you can just drag and drop it wherever you want. So you can go up here, for example, up here, whatever. I'm going to put it down here, and there we go. I've successfully added music to Serato DJ Pro. Okay, that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.